these are just what you hope for as a spectator. A warm welcome. I'm Derek Ray, and I'm joined here on the gantry for commentary by Stuart Robson. And we've got action from the Division Rivals League coming right up. How's it going to go, Stuart?
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
This is the lineup for the home team. Milan Skriniar plays with Sergio Ramos at the back. Raheem Sterling plays with Angel Di Maria on the flanks. And the striker today is Victor Osimhen. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Federico Valverde. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. The lineup for the Royals. Gianluigi Donnarumma begins in goal. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays with Gaia in the fullback positions. Vinicius Junior starts with Antony out wide. And so many different ways to configure an attack. In this case, it'll be two men up front. Now, can they be creative from here? Osimhen. And just over the bar, albeit narrowly. Chouameni. Well, if the form book has its say, every reason to believe Thomas Müller will make a big impact here, Stuart.
Well, Derek, he's a great all-round player, but it's his ability to run in behind defenders that makes him such a threat. And when he gets 1v1 against the goalkeeper, he usually scores.
Pirlo. Alexander-Arnold. The ball with Luka Modric. Alexander-Arnold. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. Di Maria. Nicely timed tackle. Chouameni. And on the ball, Gaia. Skriniar. Günther. This is Sergio Ramos. Osimhen. Intercepting it intelligently. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. Alexander-Arnold. And he read it well, intercepting it. Vinicius Junior. And Royals finding space on the flank. This looks promising. That is a very fine challenge in difficult circumstances. That's useful play. Great block. And a good take under duress there. Andrea Pirlo. This is Müller. And the pass not quite accurate enough. And a throw in then. Dybala. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Alexander-Arnold. Skriniar. Modric. Günther. Good tackle. It'll be a throw. Pirlo. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Modric. This is Müller. Sterling. Really vital interception here. Tchouaméni. Müller! In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic. Well, back underway here. Is there to be a response from the Royals? There needs to be. Günther. Well, now he's let that run out of play, and it will be a throw-in here. Getting forward. This could be the equaliser, and it is the equaliser. Well, now, that could be a huge turning point in this game. They carry the momentum. So, a level contest, 1-1. Nunez. He's beaten his man. Will he find the net? The game has been turned on its head. They have never stopped believing, and now they sense victory. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in the... And the second half underway. Royals looking to build upon a largely positive first half performance. And in with a real chance. Oh, in it goes! Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him. So on with the action. And 3-1 the scoreline at the moment. Sterling, but he's been a bit casual in possession. Now, what can the Royals do from this position? Must be! Oh, a superb save! Sterling seemed to switch off for a moment, and now a throw-in. So a throw-in here. Sterling. Opportunity for them to get back into the game. And oh, it's in! We cannot declare this contest over. They still believe. You can't really say defences are on top. 3-2. Can he put it away? And brave goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Well, he had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
Müller. And unable to keep possession. And a close offside decision as they were threatening.
Well, the Royals have been second best in terms of possession, but what they've done with it has been really good, and they'll be happy with the way the game is being played at the moment. They love to play on the counter-attack.
Yes, a really effective performance all in all. Options in the middle. Surely! The keeper diving magnificently to make sure he got there. It's a short one. Vinicius. Well, following the clearance, it will be a corner. And short it is. Vinicius. Ball is loose. Well, threat averted. Sterling, but he's been a bit casual in possession. I must say, this looks promising. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Di Maria. Pirlo. Well, it could be on for him here. Oh, good save.
Well, it's been a while, but these fans are now coming to life. Can they equalise here?
And over comes the corner. Not away completely. Skriniar. Well, it really wasn't a great effort, was it? Oh, managing to beat him. A chance to whip it in. That is a very fine challenge in difficult circumstances. Into the final 20 minutes. Well, not very clever defending. This corner could be useful to them. Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. Not really the ideal clearance. Well, they can keep possession now. And a timely intervention. Alexander-Arnold. Well, we're inside the final 15 minutes. Must be! And there it is! A two-goal cushion now, and they just need to keep the concentration.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and Dybala wasn't going to miss this one. From that sort of range, he was always going to score. What a well-constructed goal.
So the current scoreline, 4-2.
Substitution for the hosts. Coming off the pitch, number
Dembele, in a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Pirlo. Nicely saved.
Well, they haven't seen too many chances, but the crowd sensing this could be a turning point. They need a goal here.
They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Well, it all counts for naught. Can he finish? Well, closed down straight away. Very quick thinking there. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? All hands on deck. Could be. Still possibilities. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Dybala. And hunting for his second goal tonight, however.
Well, you're absolutely right. He's been on great form today. That was another good effort.
And they're making a change. Now, how about the short corner? Fantastic work to thwart the danger. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. And the flag is up, offside.
Well, that's just a lack of awareness. He was clearly in an offside position.
Dembele. Oh, a nearly moment, but not quite good enough.
Well, you certainly can't fault them for effort. They keep applying the pressure, and if they can just nick one, they're right back in this.
And the electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. Good work to win it back high up the pitch. And he's gone for power, so close to finding the net. And there it is, the full-time whistle here, and it's a victory for the visitors.
Well, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it?
And now they get the ball rolling.